Yeah, good morning. Good morning. Happy Friday, man. Excuse me. Happy Friday. Okay. So we have NFP today. So a lot of news here coming in 5 minutes. 5 minutes for all these red folders. And we'll see what happens. Right now on gold, looks like the daily's just pushing up like crazy. Music too loud? Drop it down a little bit. Yeah, gold's just been pushing up here. Looks like on the daily. We did get a bearish closure yesterday. But it was kind of weak bullish, and it still closed above the daily range. So there you have it, the daily pushing up. I do have some zones marked out here towards the end of the daily wicks and at the daily resistance to kind of watch for some sort of pullback, maybe. I mean, the volume could just send us through everything. Who knows? But yeah, 4 hour been pushing up. You got currently the 4 hour trying to come down maybe a little bit. 1 hour pushing down. We have a 30-minute closure coming up. Yeah, I mean, there's really nothing here for me. There's really nothing going on here for me. I'm going to have to wait for news to shake everything out. I don't want to be in something random here for news. I mean, I do if it wins, but can't guarantee which direction that's going to go. Yeah, I need to wait for something here on gold. Well, let me hit record. Yeah, I gotta wait for something to happen here, some price action. Let's go check out NQ. Okay. Yeah, daily pushing up, does have a bottom wick already. 4 hour pushing up as well. Yeah, it looks like it's just kind of cruising. Oh, excuse me. On the 4 hour, it doesn't really look like there's anything to stop it. Maybe something in here, like 720 or so. You do have this on the 1 hour. You do have this 1 hour zone there that it is trying to close above. Yeah, 30 minutes. Still hasn't closed above this, so yeah, we'll see if this can close above. I'm not sure that's something I want to be in, but you do at least have a clear looking zone here on NQ than you do gold. Yeah, so I mean that's kind of the range there. I mean, on the 15 minute, I'm not really worried about that. So yeah, this is kind of it here on NQ. News hasn't even started yet, and it's already gone. See how it shakes out here in like 40 seconds, though. Like I said, I didn't see much resistance until like the 720s, 730s. But, I mean, volume could just push that up. Oh, wow. Look at that. Lots of volume coming in here. Lots of volume coming in. Okay, you got the closure above, but no top wick. So it's pushing up into like 720s, 730s. See if it turns around or if it wants to go all the way up to one of the zones. Running though. Let's see what gold's up to, huh? Okay, so gold actually tapped in. Gold tapped into my zone there. Yeah, we'll try one here at the NFP, huh? We'll try one here at the NFP. Why not? Why not? I don't really take these trades ever. I don't really take them. Filled. Maybe that's why. Maybe that's why, bro. Give me a second. Holy. Oh, dude, don't do me like that. Look at that. I was just a little early. I had my zone marked off. It's messed up, man. That's messed up. All right, we took our shot on NFP there, huh? We gave it a whirl. We gave it a whirl. We're just a bit early, man. All right, guys, what did we learn today? Don't trade the news candle, okay? Don't do it. I had to take that bullet for you guys, you know? I had to take that bullet just to let you guys know. It's Friday. We're here to have some fun, you know what I'm saying? Come on. Okay, so it is pushing into the daily zone here on gold. So you got this daily resistance here. Yeah. So we'll see kind of what happens once it gets into here. See what we're working with. Well, there's nothing else even on the screen. Can't even like fit it in. It's crazy. All right, so yeah, this whole area here, I don't really know. Whole area here is what we're watching for the daily projection, if it comes. But that looks kind of nice. Wait a second. Not bad. Oh, hold the phone. Wow, that's bright. We're having too much fun now. Oh, snap. Look at that. Now let's go over there. Snap. Look what we just created, huh? Now we're talking. Now we're talking. We had our NFP fun. We were just a bit early. Just a bit. All right, let's see how the news shook out here. So we got some red numbers. And green on unemployment rate. Yeah, we got some red numbers there. All right, let's get rid of this green thing. Get rid of the green thing, man. All right, we're just on a roll here. I think it's the same thing with NQ as well. Yeah, NQ is on a roll ski. So this was the first 4-hour zone that I had marked out. Like we're just kind of rolling, you know? Just kind of rolling. You know, it's one of those things, like, this did close above, but NQ is crazy, man. You just never know. You just never know. Ah, excuse me. Excuse me. All right, we got about 4 minutes here for 15-minute closure. Yeah, we're just kind of going. Just kind of going up. Just going up here today. Not really much we can do. Not much we can do. Gotta wait for something to happen. Do we dare sell into this again? Do we dare? Probably not, right? We're feeling frosty. It's Friday. Okay, so we recovered. We did recover our other accounts. So we're up about 4K on the other 5. Overall, 4,200. Had almost 3K on all of them. So after those were down to the end, so yeah, a little 15K on the combines. I actually am not sure how much is left on this one. Oh, we got a little bit. We got like 3K left. Drawdown. We actually have like 7 combines. But that's alright. Bet you can't have like 10 accounts. Alright, 15-minute closure coming up here in about 30 seconds. See, the thing is, we are at an area that could go down, at least for a little bit. So that's kind of why I was willing to take that. Might give it another shot here. That might sound crazy, but feeling frosty. Feeling frosty.
Order filled.
We're feeling frosty. You do. And Q just pushing up. Basically pushing up. Man, it's kind of warm in here. Kind of warm. You can also take these type of trades on like the MGC, you know. That way you have some more room, obviously, and it doesn't hurt as much. If that helps. For me, I'm cool with it. I'm cool with it. Excuse me. But yeah, when it comes into like these zones and stuff that you have marked out, give yourself some more room with like the MGCs or MNQ, the micro stuff, if you want. How far will it go? That's the question. Making a bottom wick, coming back up, possibly. Looks like it. Looks like it. Maybe. Struggling a little. Struggling a little here, trying to figure out what to do. If we can go over like a bajillion. Wow. Where's price at? Holy. My goodness. Crazy. That's so far away. So far. Oh, it's crazy. Does it want to rip down here? Will it? Will it? One minute candle. Trying to push back up. I like watching the 1 minute sometimes. To check it out. Just to see how it's flowing. Kind of fun to watch. We got about 5 or 6 minutes until 1 hour closure. Until a 1 hour closure. One minute rolling up. Can we get a big rejection? Can we get a big rejection? What are the odds? What are the odds? Yeah, the 1 minute's cool looking. Because it always has some sort of price action going on. Like 15 minutes, 30 minutes, just one candlestick. So it's kind of fun. I like that. I like it. See if we can get a breakdown. If we can get a little bit of a breakdown here. We do have 4 minutes. 4 minutes. Till a 1 hour. 1 hour closure.
Order filled.
All right, well, that was quick. I was about to move to break even and then move it back down, but we'll take that. Got our money back and some. Beautiful rejection. See, ain't no thing, man. Ain't no thing. Money comes and goes. All right, I know we had our fun on NFP, but reason we took this is because of all these 4-hour rejections, and a majority of them come into here. So you got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You could have a zone a little higher as well, but yeah, like a tad higher. But I also like the 1 hour here. Otherwise, your next zone is probably up there somewhere. But yeah, beautiful. I thought about holding this, but we're a couple minutes before 1 hour, and I didn't want to be in that. Did not want to be in that. Beautiful trade, though. Beautiful. All right, NQ. Pushing into the daily zone. This is probably a better. You kind of move them around sometimes. All right, we got 1 minute. Both kind of doing similar things here. Beautiful. Beautiful, beautiful. So we kind of got an onion here.
Order filled.
Kind of got a like an onion. Could just run back up as well.
Order filled.
Yeah, I just wanted to get out there at the break of the next candle low. Beautiful. Another $400. I didn't want it to just break the low and turn back around. Nice. All right, we were down 700 today. Now we're up 700. How things change. My oh my. My oh my. Come on, baby. All right, give me a second. All right, we're back. Just like that, we're up 700. Bang. Yeah, I just didn't want to hold it in case this was like flushing out the sellers and then they just send it right back up. Not the risk I'm willing to take. That's not our risk. We got our bag. Checking on NQ. Right off the zone, baby. Right off the zone. Song's kind of a banger. Yeah, so doing the same kind of thing as gold. So like when the news comes out, a lot of it's like fake price action. You know what I mean? Like people just trying to get lucky. They send it up or whatever happens. Like a lot of times in news, I swear it doesn't even matter what the numbers are. It does whatever it wants. But then once that all shakes out, then the real price starts coming back in. And then it'll find a place to settle after the news. Sometimes it goes like just on a run, but it's got to like settle back into its regular price a lot of times. Not all the time. A lot of time news can push through zones and stuff and settle in a new area too. But depends on the market. Just depends, man. So gold and NQ kind of doing the same thing. We got a 15-minute closure here in about 5.5 minutes. Coming down still. All right, though. It's Friday, though. You know what's crazy? A lot of people are excited that it's Friday because it's the last day of their job. You know, like they go home for the weekend and then come back Monday. But like, I feel like as traders, at least for me, like the weekends have been hard for me, man. I always get excited when Monday happens. I get excited when Monday comes around. I'm like, yes, I get to go back to work. Definitely wasn't always like that. cool when you love what you do. Took me a long time to find something. This is by far the hardest thing I've ever had to do, but like in a different way than my other jobs and stuff. But I am the most excited for it. Where are we at here? Oh yeah, this one's a new combine. Is this one? Nah, see, this one I took maximum loss again. So we're back to like even, basically. About these. Yeah, see, look at this. 4,500, 3,200, 2,900. So yeah, that's been a struggle on some of these. It's been a struggle. But we're still in it. We're still in it. Still fighting. Okay, so we got, what, 2 minutes? Two minutes for a 15-minute closure. It's Friday here, so, I mean, do what you guys want to do today. Like, obviously, if you don't want to do anything crazy on a Friday to set you off on a bad weekend, which a lot of times for me that happens. So, take it easy on this Friday if you get affected by, like, taking losses or blowing accounts on Fridays. Don't need to do anything stupid. Just trade for Monday at this point. Trade for Monday. All right, 1 minute here. One minute. I know things are a little different in the market right now, and I've been trading a little different, but hopefully we can get some big payouts in the stream. You guys can see one of those max payouts. Hopefully we can get there. I mean, I hope for myself also. But yeah, it'd be cool to do it on stream. All right, 5 seconds. 15-minute closure here. I don't think I'm interested in anything. I mean, you could just maybe hit sell and win, but I'd rather wait for some sort of 30-minute probably. Probably wait for a 30-minute. Shit, I mean, you probably could have just hit sell, but who knows? Too bad we're still not in it from up here, huh? What a zone, though, huh? Beautiful. Yeah, where was our entry? It was like up here somewhere. It's like up there. Not bad. So these are the types of trades I used to hold that I'd make like, I'd have like 2 or 3 regular like mini contracts, make like 10 grand on the XFAs. That's where you get your cushion to just trade like for the, like once I'd have a big day, then I just trade for like $150 days, $200 days. Because your job's already done. Job's already done. You just need the green days. But I'll be right back. All right, so we're still chilling. Got about 6.5 minutes for 8:30. Good morning, Ohio. How we doing this morning? Busy so far, but good. Nice. Nice. Doing good, man. Doing good. I still need to pack and stuff, though. Check the tires, get some gas. Still got a lot to do. We're going to a lake with some friends. They invited us to go to her parents' like house, which they live kind of really close to the lake. So stay with them for the weekend, have some fun. Yeah, I hope so. I think it'll be good. You guys ever go out on like the lake or anything? You have a boat? I can't remember if you have a boat or not. Oh, she's not? Yeah, see, like you don't even have to do nothing though. You just go out. I mean, boats suck because they break down a lot, but like just chilling on a boat, like that's how you spend your day. You just have like a stereo, you get whatever, and oh, you got kayaks too. Get some floaties, just chill, you know? I don't even want to do nothing crazy. Lake day isn't their thing? Yeah. That's alright. Just doesn't like the water. What about like the ocean? Do you like going to the beach and stuff? The only person I know that doesn't like going to the beach is Day Boy. And he's a weirdo. He's a weirdo. He's a big old loser. Exactly. Exactly. All right, let me check NQ. Check Ohio's 401k. Looks like a bleeder. See what I mean? Like, it has to come down and find its real price now. So this was the news candle. Now it's almost retraced, like 80% of it. Boom, boom. But you never know. This next candle could send it to the moon. I don't know. This is a huge rejection, though. Jeez. It's a huge rejection. What if we just get an absolute bleeder today? Made a huge top wick and just boom, all the way down. All the way down to like the 27,000s again. The Panthers won last night? What Panthers? Am I missing something? Oh, Carolina? Wait, what? Wait, was there a preseason game? Was that the first one? Or was this the Hall of Fame game or whatever? I didn't even know it was on. All right, let's see if we can find a support here. See if we can find a support. If this is actually sitting on a good support or not. Yeah, I mean, kind of like that. Yeah, I mean, that doesn't look bad. The Hall of Fame game. Okay, so who was it? The Panthers and who? So it is kind of at a support, but do with that what you will. We would be setting up for like an onion. However, this is pretty far. I would have loved to see it down here somewhere. The cards, huh? Okay. I would have loved to see it somewhere down here instead of up there, but all right, 8:30. 8:30. Yeah, I mean, if I do take this, it'd have to be on this chart. Definitely have to be on this one. But yeah, it did look good. Just a little bit higher than I would have wanted. But it'd be the 1 hour pushing up, 30-minute pushing up.
Order filled.
That tapped us in to the decimal. Brother. What on earth? To the absolute decimal. What? Yeah, that's crazy. That's actually crazy. But yeah, we're going a lot lower risk than we normally would have. That is for sure. That is for sure. Look at this. Look at this junk. Panthers winning the Super Bowl. Yeah, this is criminal. This is absolutely criminal. I can't believe that tapped me into the nearest decimal. That was actually crazy. That was way messed up. Who's our QB1? That's a great question. I'm actually not sure. They still haven't even said it, I don't think. I don't know, let me see. Let me see. See, they're still splitting snaps between both of them. People say that Murray's the heavy favorite, though. But who knows? Who knows? Yeah, I don't know. I'm sure it's going to be Kyler Murray, probably. I would imagine. Wish they would come to some sort of conclusion, though. Some sort of conclusion. Glad we didn't risk more than we did on this stupid trade. Yeah, this is just stupid. Calling me, bro. Calling me, bro. Sorting out my contacts. My contact lenses. Okay, so here's the question. Do we want to risk it a little bit or not? That is the question. That is the question. I mean, it's not like we're risking a whole lot. You know? We didn't risk a whole bunch. We'll have to see how far we want to go. I mean, it is coming into that area there, so we'll see. But Friday could just zombie rally up. Never know. You never know. Got about 4 minutes for a 15-minute candle here at 8:45. So I'm kind of curious to see if this can push through. This can push through everything. We might hold it, but don't know if it's worth it. Like I said, we're at the daily stuff, like right here. So don't know that it's worth holding at the moment. I want to see how it plays out though up here. I don't know if I'm going to be able to today, Ohio. I got a lot of stuff I need to do before we leave. Unfortunately, that I just put off. Probably not. If I do, it wouldn't be very long. I'm just going to move into a little bit of profit here. I don't want to take a random loss for no reason. I don't want to take a random loss for no reason here on a Friday. Might actually skate out. If I can, if it'll let me.
Order filled.
Alright. Yeah, it's just like you're in this daily zone. I mean, it could, like I said, it could push through. But like, it also could not. And reject here. Also, you have a 4-hour closure, which might tell you a lot in 15 minutes. So, something to keep in mind here today. It's also Friday. So, be careful today. Be careful today. I'm just going to get out of that. I don't need to be in it. It was a small win, but all win. Oh, 23 wins. Wait a second. Wait a second. Yeah, we'll take that. We'll take it, man. We'll take it. Yeah, it's just not worth it to me anymore. Could still work out, but check out NQ. If there's anything here. A 15. Yeah, I like that. It went up first, made a top wick. Boom. I like that. But I can see this coming back up as well. Just kind of trolling today. Up, down, up, down. But yeah, I definitely moved to break even, basically, or a little bit of profit on the other one just because, yeah, I just didn't like it anymore. What is this? Yeah, I mean, like I said, you're at that daily zone up here. Not something I really want to trade into here. 4-hour chop fest. Not really appetizing to me. So we took our 40-buck win or whatever we did, and we got out. I mean, this could break the lows down here. This could be where it turns around, honestly, like the daily. Not a good area for me. I'm curious to see here what happens at the 4-hour though. In 15 minutes. I am curious about that. Wait, when was your... The 1 minute's awesome, man. Here's the 5 minute. 15. Yeah, so we got about 10 minutes for a 4-hour closure. Be curious to see what that looks like. I'll be right back. All right. Still got about 8 minutes. Got about 8 minutes. we're at like break even on this one. Nice. Hey, we'll take that, honestly. After losing 3K on one of them, we'll take a break even. Absolutely. Five or 6 minutes left here. 6 minutes. All right, we're waiting 5 more minutes. Yeah, I mean, we got out of that trade just because of that. I mean, moved to break even, basically a little bit of a win. Small win. Just because of that rejection. And plus, we're in the daily zone. I mean, this is the daily rejection zone. 4-hour chop. Yeah. Yep, so we managed to trade and got out with a small win. Plus, I just didn't want to be in it this long, struggling. Going into a 4-hour candle coming in. And we played Apex yesterday. That game was fun, man. I forgot how fun it was. It's hard, though. A lot harder than Call of Duty, that's for sure. Yeah, I mean, this could come down, grab liquidity. Could still go up, but, like, could do its thing here before the 4-hour. You know how it gets, like, an extra burst of volume before some of the candles sometimes? This could be one of those things. Not worth it. Especially on a Friday. In the daily rejection zone. Yup. Whoops. There it goes. There it goes, brother. Got about 2.5 minutes here. But yeah, like I said, this could be that zone. But it still could close, you know, today, like up here somewhere. We'll see. Check NQ real quick. Dang. Same thing. Look at that rejection, man. Wow. Okay, so the 4 hour coming for the... Trying to come for the 4 hour lows there and flip before the 4 hour candle closes. Wow. That's crazy, bro. Look at that candle, man. Retrace the whole news move. And some. And my arm hurts. Trace the whole thing. Jeez. Got about 30 seconds here. 4 hour. Yeah, closing into that chop. Maybe just below. All right, 4 hour closure. We did get a 4 hour closure. Let me check this out real quick, though. I mean, this could make a bottom wick and then just skyrocket back up, honestly. Yeah, that's actually not a bad zone there, right on top. It's actually not bad. Got there a little late. Same kind of thing here, but I don't trust it as much. 1 hour. Yeah, this could go up. Could definitely go up. I might be down to take a shot here.
Order filled.
Just 3 minis, or I mean micros, excuse me, not minis. Ain't no way. Take a shot here. We'll try it. Just something small. Yeah, I mean, we'll risk 240. We lose, we lose, and we'll just call it a day. Up 500. Up 500. I swear, when I get in a trade, it goes so fast the wrong direction, but then, like, when it goes the right direction, it's so slow. I swear, bro.
Order filled.
All right. See, look how fast that was. Look how fast that was, man. Crazy. Might break the lows and come back. But, yeah, we're done. Yeah, look at that. Did that wick us out to the nearest decimal? It did. I'm pretty sure. Dude, if we would have had it just like a couple more below. That's insane. All right, either way, we did our job today. $500. We are going to lock out because we don't need any more than this on a Friday. We don't need it. So we're done, man. We're done for the week. Good job, everybody. Good job. Dude, it literally wicked us out by the exact point. That's criminal. All right, GG's, everybody. Appreciate y'all. Hope everyone has a good weekend. Let's say a prayer real quick. Father God, we just thank you for today. Thank you for a good session, good community that we're building here. And just pray that it gives you the glory, Lord, that we know all good things come from you. And we're just so grateful for the work you're doing in us and in our trades and through us. And yeah, just thank you for everything, Lord. In Jesus' name, amen. Amen. All right. Appreciate you guys. Yo, where's Stream Elements? There it is. Stream Elements. That took a while there, brother. All right, we are done. We're up loads. We're up loads on all the accounts. GG's. All right, guys. Have a good weekend. And I will see you Monday. All right. Peace.